small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Western Vermilion, Avon Point, Willow Wick, Fairport Harbor, Cleveland, Lorraine Harbor, and Vermilion. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The forecast for North. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Vermilion, Ohio to Willow Wick, Ohio. Open waters from Avon Point, Ohio to Willow Wick, Ohio, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Avon Point to 14 nautical miles east of Lorraine Harbor to 7 nautical miles west of Cleveland, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Cleveland. The forecast for northeast inland Ohio. This afternoon, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 0 feet. Barkley, Messerly Road, McConnell East, and Knowlton roads will be flooded and impassable. Additional details, at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, the stage was 8.9 feet. Forecast, the river will rise above flood stage just after midnight tonight to 10.7 feet late tomorrow morning. It will then fall late tomorrow morning. It will rise to 10.7 feet late tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow evening. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 10.6 feet on March 13, 1939. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. At 8 p.m., weather reports for selected...
Did anyone notice Cleveland's minor error they had right there? I'm sure I did.